GED Test Prep Grade 2. Question 1. Context, supply and demand. Question, both supply and demand increase equilibrium quantity. Option A, increases. Option B, cannot be determined. Option C, stays same. Option D, decreases. The correct answer is option A, increases. Increases is the correct choice. Question 2. Federalists supported. Option A, a strong central gov. Option B, weak central gov. Option C, a state sovereignty. Option D, abolishing constitution. The correct answer is option A, strong central gov. Strong central gov is the correct choice. Question 3. President's cabinet includes. Option A, Supreme Court justices. Option B, heads of executive departments. Option C, members of Congress. Option D, state governors. The correct answer is option B, heads of executive departments. Heads of executive departments is the correct choice. Question 4. U.S. Census every. Option A, 20-year. Option B, 5-year. Option C, 15-year. Option D, 10-year. The correct answer is option D, 10-year. 10-year is the correct choice. Question 5. Emancipation Proclamation freed slaves in. Option A, Confederate States. Option B, entire Union. Option C, all states. Option D, border states. The correct answer is option A, Confederate States. Confederate States is the correct choice. Question 6. Marshall Plan goal? Option A, rebuild Europe after World War II. Option B, end Korean War. Option C, establish NATO. Option D, defeat USSR. The correct answer is option A, rebuild Europe after World War II. Rebuild Europe after World War II is the correct choice. Question 7. Context, Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press. Question, freedom protected? Option A, of freedom from unreasonable searches. Option B, right to bear arms. Option C, right to a speedy trial. Option D, of freedom of speech. The correct answer is option D, freedom of speech. Freedom of speech is the correct choice. Question 8. Context, Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press. Question, likely violation. Option A, arresting for a threat. Option B, requiring parade permit. Option C, taxing newspapers. Option D, city bans peaceful protest based on message. The correct answer is option D, city bans peaceful protest based on message. City bans peaceful protest based on message is the correct choice. Question 9. Opportunity cost is. Option A, price paid. Option B, marginal utility. Option C, a value of next best alternative foregone. Option D, total cost. The correct answer is option C, value of next best alternative foregone. Value of next best alternative foregone is the correct choice. Question 10. Regressive tax example? Option A, income tax. Option B, sales tax. Option C, corporate tax. Option D, property tax. The correct answer is option B, sales tax. Sales tax is the correct choice. Question 11. Federal Reserve handles. Option A, a fiscal policy. Option B, monetary policy. Option C, school regulation. Option D, a tax collection. The correct answer is option B, monetary policy. Monetary policy is the correct choice. Question 12. Context, supply and demand. Question, law of demand, if price rises, quantity demanded. Option A, increases. Option B, stays same. Option C, doubles. Option D, decreases. The correct answer is option D, decreases. Decreases is the correct choice. Question 13. Grand Canyon formed mainly by. Option A, earthquakes. Option B, river erosion. Option C, volcanoes. Option D, glacial erosion. The correct answer is option B, river erosion. River erosion is the correct choice. Question 14. I have a dream speaker. Option A, of Frederick Douglass. Option B, Rosa Parks. Option C, Martin Luther King Jr. Option D, Malcolm X. The correct answer is option C, Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. is the correct choice. Question 15. U.S. acquired Florida from. Option A, France. Option B, Mexico. Option C is Spain. Option D, Britain. The correct answer is option C, Spain. Spain is the correct choice. Question 16. Legislative branch consists of option A, federal agencies. Option B, Congress, House and Senate. Option C, Supreme Court. Option D, a President and Cabinet. The correct answer is option B, Congress, House and Senate. Congress, House and Senate is the correct choice. Question 17. Separation of powers thinker? Option A, Montesquieu. Option B, Voltaire. Option C, Locke. Option D, Rousseau. The correct answer is option A, Montesquieu. Montesquieu is the correct choice. Question 18. Context: Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press. Question: First Amendment prohibits Congress from option A, creating lower courts. Option B, collecting taxes. Option C, establishing a religion. Option D, declaring war. The correct answer is option C, establishing a religion. Establishing a religion is the correct choice. Question 19. Elastic clause allows Congress to option A, declare war. Option B, pass laws necessary to carry out powers. Option C, veto state laws. Option D, override judicial review. The correct answer is option B, pass laws necessary to carry out powers. Pass laws necessary to carry out powers is the correct choice. Question 20. Louisiana Purchase from option A is Spain. Option B, England. Option C, France. Option D, Russia. The correct answer is option C, France. France is the correct choice.